So I'm pretty excited about that.
What am I looking forward to in 2025?
I got a lot of new tools this year.
Continue to grow and expand our business. We have a new product called the Galley, which is different from a typical kitchen sink. So we're really excited about bringing that on board, and we do have some new vendors that I'm excited to partner with, and new products coming out from them.
What are you looking forward to in 25?
Staying busy is what I'm hoping for.
Potentially finding a match for the Smullen flooring.
So probably stairwells, just to get more comfortable with them, and I don't know, I like the challenge of them.
Just having more time to spend with my grandkids. The Mont stuff is so beautiful. I love it. Trying to convince Matt to put it in our bathroom.
The two-tone stuff.
The two-tone?
Yeah, the black and gold finish stuff.
The LVP and the onyx materials.
Onyx, and that's on the shower walls?
Shower walls.
It seems to be all really good materials and good to work with. So
I guess I really liked how the Onyx shower systems turned out. Seemed to be nice and easy, and good maintenance schedule for everything, and solid to install.
Starting to see a different change in the color schemes in kitchens, getting away from painted white cabinets back to some stain or some different color pops of blues and greens.
Is there a job that you're excited that we got through and we're done with for 24?
Okay, softballs.
There was a lot of them.
Probably the Grady project.
probably Grady, Mount Street downtown.
I mean, it would have to be down there for Grady.
Oh.
It's probably apartment buildings that we did downtown. However, the customer was wonderful to work with, and it took him 20 years to get this project to the end. So for us to get to the end, it was difficult for us and difficult for him. I think the end results is going to be nice for everybody involved. I'm excited for the customer and for us to have that project behind us.
That is correct. That is correct, yes.
Right now we have most of the first quarter and part of the second quarter booked.
A lot of research and doing, organization.
2 additions currently.
I know, that keeps everybody busy.
Probably
Kitchens.
Oh, let's see. It's 3.5 months. I don't know how many days, but 3.5 months.
You won bowling, correct?
No, Darren won bowling by 1 pin.
That was exact.
I don't have a favorite.
Thanks, Ron.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Scott.
Yep.
All right, we have Tammy Boone. Sweet.